And welcome to what is still technically the second part of the video, except my phone glitched out and it also went flat, so I had to do like an update as well and all of that. But right now we're actually on the hunt for animals. As you can see, I have a piggy friend with me. I do already have a cow and 2 chickens waiting, along with a new pet wolf. I did end up doing a couple of other things when my phone restarted. But basically we're gonna collect this and we're gonna explore some more of the map. And we're actually going to build the villagers more of a home. Because right now they're just kinda, you know, there. No, but yeah, I mainly need animals. I need to get food desperately. Which I realize I actually can have glistening melons and all of that. It'd be much nicer. It's building a utopia, okay? We're building a great place. But we actually need animals, so... is that... These are my other ones. Here we go. Here we go. Ta-da! These are my other ones. So... I still need chicken. Chickens are the main ones I need, but I also want sheep. You can probably tell why I need sheep. Alright, well, we currently have 5 different animals. Alright. Oh, 4, never mind. We need sheep and cow. And pig, so we need 1 more of each. I have no idea where to go for this though. Because I currently don't actually have any other... Gosh. You! Why'd you get stuck, huh? Where's the lead? That's yours. Down here? Let's just keep going. Till we find more animals. It's the idea. Alright, we're gonna go... We're gonna go up this way. No! Oh gosh, damn. Alright. Just go. Just go across. He did drop a lead. The cow is also probably then gonna die. It's my journey. It's my journey. The chickens won't die because they can't perform damage. This is okay. Well, you know what? That was by accident. Like that was actually completely by accident. But since we're here, we might as well put them here. Wherever you go, you come with me. We'll go out for another adventure. The chicken will hurry its butt up. We have to take the stairs. You can't go now, okay. So we go down here. We go down here, you guys. We're capturing it. Okay. So it's nice to the house here. Diet and stuff too. No. There's a cow. Up here, okay. Good job. Right, we're gonna take this bed with us, actually. Let's get the hell out of here. Alright. We're gonna hunt for more animals. So basically my goal from actually building something changed now to this. Hunting. Okay, and exploration. Maybe there's not so much snow. Yeah, we still have another mining episode to do with the mine shaft that's down there. I remember that, you guys, don't you worry. If we want to get more animals in this area, we have to like make it really flat. Okay, like we have to get like genuine grass blocks, make it flat, cut down trees, which we can do. It's just quite an effort to do so. So I'm actually not going to follow my track. We're going to go this way, where there's unexplored areas. We also need to find an area that'll be suitable as an ocean, because right now we don't exactly have that. Oh, that was just a flower. For like a glimpse second, that looked like a cow. Pig. Pig. Yep, pig. Pig, pig. Chicken. Pig. How convenient. So utterly convenient that we have 3 animals already. See, my ultimate goal here is to go to the plains biome, you guys. That's the whole idea. We do still need a sheep and a cow. I also do not like to keep running into these caves because it means exploration. Where'd you all decide you thought you would go? Where are my leads? Where are my leads? There's a 7th somewhere. There we go. Come on. I'm not messing with you. So we need to avoid huge caves like that. Gosh damn it. This is a nice flat area. It's very nice, actually. Fortunately, I can't bring these guys with me because of how huge this fucking mountain is. So listen, you guys are staying there. I'm scaling a mountain to find more animals. Oh, this is... usually there's cows here, yeah? Near the bee's nest. Please, please, just be a little gap. Just a little gap of land. Look at that. Cow sheep. Bam. Come on. We need a second sheep. That's a village. Right in this gap. Oh my gosh, things are working out so well today. Things are actually working out so well today. I tell you what. I tell you what. Okay? Epic. No. Don't. Okay, so we have cow, pig, pig, sheep, chicken, sheep. We just need one more. Here's the unfortunate thing about this village. That giant pit. There's our sheep. There's our other sheep that we're looking for. So, I mean, do we want a donkey too? Do we want a horse, actually? Actually, if I can come back here, that would be great. Okay, listen. Put y'all on a leash. Stay. Yes, carrots and all of that. And the snow does, unfortunately, break it. No matter. Gosh damn it. This was so much closer to our house. We could have actually, like, gone this place, whatnot. Man. They have food and everything. And I don't want to... We're going to have to come back here. Just to get the beds and all of that. Let's have a little look around. Because it's a small village. Man, I'm so glad to see a normal village. Everything that I have done today better end up... Why is there a rabbit everywhere? Who's killing the cats or killing the rabbit, I bet? There's a lot of rabbit. The snow, unfortunately, does circle this entire area. And that, look, there's our railway. If we had have just glimpsed just a little bit over here, we would have seen this. There doesn't seem to be very many good houses, though. It's just a simple little village. And we also eventually build a wall around these guys to protect them. Because I don't just loot villages. When I find them, I want to make sure they're all good. You know, they're safe. I also don't take all their food. I will take some, though. I could do without, do without this. We can easily get those back. Potatoes and carrots. We can breed the pigs now. And the villagers. And screw beetroots. Amen. Yeah. I'm glad. Oh. Hold up. Here. I'll get you started again. Yeah? My bad. My bad. Yeah. There you go. You happy? They live in the flower fields as well. It's so flat. Gosh damn it. If I had have just looked a little bit further over, I would have seen this. Pillager outpost better be out that way. Let's grab these guys. Let's get the heck out of here. I have no room for the leads, do I? Shit. Shit. Gosh damn it. You know what? One, 2, 3. Before you fall. Ah, oh, gosh damn. Now we have room for the back. It's a simple trade thing. We are gonna need to sleep though. So let's head back. See if we had a... Gosh. You're so annoying, game. Sometimes, real honestly, it's not that much further over the hill, and you bump into this. That's just how annoyed I am. I know I can only sleep at night, so let me sleep, gosh damn. We did it. Went down the mountain. Let's go collect our other animals. Our other ones. Wherever we placed them. Gosh damn it, man. This is on my nerves. This is like my final... Just go through the trees, damn it. You're here with us. Understood? Let's go collect what we're calling your friends. Okay. Your makeshift friends. Where'd your friend go? Where do you think you're going? All of you are coming with me. Okay? And no one is allowed to die in between now and in between then. Okay? We had strict claim, no arguments. I'm going to name every single one of you, proving that we are already captured. Okay? So good. Sheep especially cannot die. Or the cow. The cow, the chicken, the sheep can't die. I have 2 pigs. And the thing is, I already have 1 pig already. I have 2 cows though. Let's just go. Are we all here? We're all clear? The one sheep could not die if it wanted to. In fact, both could die if they wanted to. That's not like a pigs from us. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh. Well, it's not what I want to do. Just we can unleash the pigs, okay? We can actually unleash the pigs, and they will follow us anyways, because we have carrots. So we can capture the sheep. We can capture this cow. The pigs are just going to follow us. Anyways, let's go. The whole gang here. Look at this. Look at this image right here. This is what I like to see. We're on our way. You're still here? One of the pigs lag behind just a little bit. Come on. We're still going this way. Okay? Follow us. Oh, hang on. You know what? We may or may not have just captured the ground. You want to come out of the water, man? You're chasing a crazy guy. Why would you want to do that? Why are you following him? Like a dummy. I have pulse. Sleep here. Is night, you dummy. Let's go. We do not yet, again, have everybody. Is that the baby sheep that grew up? Is that a new sheep? I think that's a new sheep. I could be wrong, But there's no other... I'm not seeing the lead. I think that's a completely new sheep. Well, you know what? Let's just go then. Do we have everybody this time? Goodness gracious me. Alrighty, you guys. Well, we're home, basically. It's great to be... Just take a deep breath. There was a chicken already here. The fox cannot end up killing my animals. Listen here, pal. Don't go near my farm, animals, whom I will have a place for near the farm. Did you get off your lead? Did you... Get over here. Listen to me. Listen to me. See that? Temporary pen. Alrighty. Let's get started on some of the build, at least, in this video. Finally fix this up. So, my idea is the villagers will have an area to roam around, okay? So this is obviously going to be an access point when I give them a way down. When I figure out what that way down actually is. So I think it's just going to be here. Is that? They're just going to have to kind of make their way down there if they want the area to themselves. Okay, so they will have that option. They will have that option to go ahead. Choose if that is a problem. You can easily fix. Like that. No one will ever notice. Boom. So. Just. While it looks smoothly connected and all that, I think I'm gonna have to go with just normal stairs. Just like this. We can probably just remove this one. Because it doesn't look right. Oh, whoa. Hold up now. That's not how you mine things. At all. Alrighty. Yeah. Open access area. Up and down. Assuming they want to go up and down. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. This will also go up, but I think this one could be these. Yeah? So anything on the grass. Really. I actually want to be collecting all this other stuff. It's dropped because it's kind of important as part of resources. Actually, just place this down here for now. Alright. So this will give them access to, down to here. Basically. I don't want them going past this. So... I still need to be able to get down, obviously. But that's gonna be, like, off limits. Just up to that zone, basically. Now they can't get underneath. They can get through this way if they want it. Of course, it doesn't until I do that. There we go. We're semi-trapping them, okay? We're like trapping them to a certain level. Like not doing it instantly and keeping them like that forever. Of course. Once we actually play a lot more and make this area an ultimate base and make it so they're actually safe here, that's when, you know, turn it down a little bit. They can just hop up there. So just mind this. I don't want them escaping is the idea. They need to live here forever, basically. And if I wanted iron golems to spawn as well, the villagers need to be happy. You see, none of that could be happening. Can't be, jump those. Well, I need to be able to get out. But I can do that through here. So can I actually... Yeah. Just making sure. No, they can't, like, run and jump. I can. So they won't actually be able to get past. If I take a run and jump... I can't actually run right now. If I just, like, jump to there, I should be able to get past this. If I can do it correctly, now my way back in will be over there somehow. Okay, I know for a fact I can get... Give me this. Okay. Whoa, I'm not that hungry, jeez. I told you. I freaking told you. And my way back in will be easy because we would need a run and jump. Or I go around this way. And have look at that. Oh. Though the villagers can like unfortunately use my very smart access point. Whatever. Well, now that this place is like secure, we should remove these areas on this side. Just on like here. Let's continue with the walls. So this is going to be access for them to farm and all of that. That's why this is here. Can't be having them be able to jump up on the tree and go around. So I think I'll just do this here. Can't get in there. Won't benefit them in any way. They're gonna have a little more free reign, trust me. Oh, I just a silly goof. I understand my way back in. It's a gate. I just use gates to get back in. So look, they have this whole area they can use if they so illy choose. Okay. Alright. So, moment of truth. Alright. I know you're looking at me. Look at him. He's looking at me like, oh my gosh, there's so much I can do. Here's the unfortunate. I love how you're all going to the same one. Look, ta-da. Oh. There was a jump there. Let me chuck y'all this. Where's the job center? Okay, it's literally right here. So listen, you guys. This area is off limits to anyone. Oops, I kind of just... Alrighty. It's the moment of truth. Yes. I am semi-releasing you. You look so happy, man. So glad you're on the same page. That is going to throw everybody off. And I think it's funny as. Can you... Were you guys fighting over the door? Is that what was happening? Because that sounded extremely freaky. Tell you what. Piety. Alrighty, you guys, listen up. It's gonna be a job hole down here, I think. Where they can all work on everything. I think it's just appropriate. Oh, I actually do have a little bit of an errand to run, but this is gonna basically be it for this second part of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy what I have to build next for the villagers. But yeah, thank y'all for watching.